Hey everyone, Marcia here with Campbell & Company Real Estate, and today I'd like to share my newest listing with you, 240 East Avenue in Hamilton, Ontario. If you're looking for a great opportunity to get into the market and you're looking for a home that has a separate basement walkout that you could potentially use as an in-law suite, you don't want to miss out on this one. This two-story brick home comes with a covered porch and offers 3 bedrooms with original hardwood floors, 1.5 baths, living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen, and main floor laundry room. Out back, you will find a fully fenced, spacious backyard with enough room to park 2 cars and a shed with hydro. This home is located downtown where you will have easy access to all amenities such as the GO station, Harbour Front, highway access, local transit, shops, the general hospital, and so much more. So if you like what you see and you want to book a showing, call me before it's too late.